These 5 audio tips will save you hours of time in Premiere Pro. So tip number 1 is using the audio clip mixer here. So it's quite simple. You just move it up and down. The higher it is, the higher the volume will be. The lower it is, the lower the volume will be. That kind of thing. If you press once on here, you can manually do it. So if I want it to be 2, I can do that. Also, I can, if I move it down this bit to, let's say 2, it will adjust and move to this one here, which is the second one. And then you can also adjust like left to right, so maybe you might want it to be more to the left ear or the right ear. Tip 2 is using audio in other workspaces. So let's say I go to effects, I can either use it here, or if I press on Windows, there's all of the other options. Let's use audio track mixer, which we'll go over next. I can use it in the effects ones like this, and instead of just going to the audio page or the editing one to do it, I can just do it there. Again, track mixer is very similar. You can add your own effects if you want to, and the left and right ear one, it's bigger, that kind of thing. If you press this, you can add all your own effects like this. So if we do channel mixer, for example, and let's say we just adjust it like that, you can just use it like, and then you can just use it like, and then we move it back to here, and then you can just use it like that. And if you want to export it, just screenshot it, and then you can just use it. Let's try and move it all a bit more so you can see a bit more of a difference. And then you can just use it like, yeah, you see the difference. And then you've got left to left, right to left, left to right to right, that kind of thing. If you want to get rid of it, you just press on it and then just press none. Okay, I'm gonna go back to editing now. So tip 3 is fading in and out audio. So if you go to effects, there's audio transitions, crossfade. You've got all of these options and they're all a bit different, but if you go to the effect controls, you can see under here there's like an audio bit. You can adjust the level. So if I put a keyframe here, and you can see it on the timeline here at the beginning, and then make it, let's say, -5 like that, and then you can just use it, shot it, and then you can just use it like that. See that? And then you can adjust it there as well, which again kind of moves on to the next tip. You can adjust it on the timeline like this if you want to. You can add in keyframes. You hold on to control and then press A, you can add keyframes, and you can just move it like that. You export it, just screenshot it, and then you can just use it like that. There you go. Watch this video next, which is these 5 tips will save you hours in Premiere Pro. Subscribe.